I'm here with
Comedy Mame.
Payment.
Premium.
Oh my god! Wow! Romantically on camera.
Hey! Out of Jesus, romantic there when you to bye bye.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all know the vibes. It's your girl Gloria, and I'm back again with another video. And yeah, today I'm here with
Comedy Mame.
Payment
Premium.
and Lucas. And I'm about to ask them a few questions. Yeah, so I'm off for now. The first question for you both is
Like things girls do that boys find.
I'm going to sniff him there, are they? Hey, kind of one. Kind of, bro. And of course, that's what I'm practicing.
and
Basically your
About them
bow.
casa man, casa in house.
Yeah, like on dreams and one
Some
casa.
words, some words. It's an A man. A man.
anyways, next. I don't like your answers, but then
Nah, but basically, to me, personally in there, Oba like
Man,
or in the end, the animal must say one.
Man, boy, number two. When I practice.
A girl who like have too many male friends. Yeah. Bruh!
300 euros.
yeah, for like
Euros.
the way
300 euros for
Yeah,
what? For what
okay.
basically?
doing it, facing and buying everything. We should have.
Oh, why not?
That's fine.
Okay.
300 euros.
But like 300 euros is not that much. Like
Obviously, I can bring more than that. You know,
300 for like being for real, 300 euros is not that much. So my girl, giving your girl 300 euros just to fix her weight, bro. It's like your responsibility. You have to do it.
Notice.
Fuck no.
Yes,
Fuck no.
yes,
Fuck no.
yes.
Okay, so first of all, let me start with
Okay,
you
yeah.
because you asked the first. Why no?
It depends on the occasion though, but
What? Okay.
if you are going out like in a public place, me personally, I wouldn't prefer my girlfriend wearing a short dress because like there are a lot of corny ass niggas around. You know what I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying.
But it
me,
depends on the location you're going. No, because she can't go to club with slit and cap.
But like
it's
I get what payment is saying in a way. But like me personally, whether we are going to a club or a birthday party, it doesn't matter where we are going. Like apart from churches and like official places, you feel me?
Yeah.
I feel like my girlfriend like wearing short dresses is okay. Me, that's why I test the trust of my girlfriend because basically, ocean short dress, no boys will push you. You get me? And to say if you feel say, yeah, I love my boyfriend, I don't know now, I'll be prove it. So me basically, I'll make my girl wear short dress anytime, anywhere, any day. But it depends on you if you can also handle the pressure.
I
yourself.
know.
for me, there's a no more.
Me, I don't care. Always.
Oh my god! Wow!
I mean, why not? I mean,
Yeah,
of
basically.
course.
Haven't you guys heard about Mandem?
They are turn actually no the content. So yeah. Me to me some dey be am dey go more na ba ma chiro so
Yes,
yeah.
I can.
Okay.
Yeah, if I don't have any idea about
Okay.
bullshit.
What do you mean by bullshit?
Nonsense.
How?
Why 50-50 though? Like, it doesn't make sense to me. I mean,
To me basically the one who has to like deliver.
that's
If it gets to a time the man is having, the man has to like pay for everything. And a time might come that the man may become broke or something. The girl also has to take the responsibility. Fuck 50-50. You always can into ya. Then
the whole meaning will be out now. I mean, of course, you know what I'm saying, like,
yeah.
So, what was the answer I gave?
No.
No.
Just go die peacefully.
Listen, I know that 60 seconds, if I spend it with my partner, or be on quasi, I give you a bonus mama sham and I have an for me. You feel me? So I just prefer to die peacefully or just move with the boys. The boys might feel a little bit like, but my girlfriend, like, overdriver, man, they have overdriver.
Do you guys have girlfriends? Because I'm confused.
No, are they imaginary? Relax. Let our imaginary girlfriends. Are they? You want everybody to know see any? Hey, Uncle.
Speak for yourself. Thank you.
Nah.
Hey, you need something. The person help you, and then.
No.
I don't listen.
I would have died.
Why would I treat my girlfriend for like?
I would die.
Oh, you guys are so.
I mean,
no, it's not even about.
Fuck yes, I will do.
Wait, hold on. Nah, take your like let's give it like an instance. To say we are.
This girl will come forget. You forget.
The girls will do.
Me, I will do. Forget, man.
Then me depends on what I need though. So yeah, if the thing I need is like really urgent,
take come.
What bread?
Red flag.
My brain.
But is your brain working? I'm asking.
At least it works better than my heart. So yeah.
Heart.
I don't trust it.
Okay. Because you don't know what you want exactly.
Nah.
Yes, mister.
I have none of that. Brain heart to me, I ain't got none.
How?
What do you mean?
So if I say you payment, you are mad. Do you understand?
I'm not mad.
So that's your brain. You're using your brain. You are not mad.
That's not my baby. In case science. My mom.
That's a stupid ass question.
Your wife can
But
divorce
hold
you.
on,
Your wife can divorce you. Your mom can divorce you. Your wife.
Do you know the pain my mom went through?
Your wife. You know what your wife should do you.
But forget about experience. Currently, let's say.
What do you mean by experience?
But you are talking in something else. No, let's talk reality.
Okay,
so I don't know, but then choose one of them.
My mom, of course. Any day, anytime.
You know, so your mom will tell you to choose your wife because now
listen, my wife doesn't.
She will be happy for you to have family.
They didn't ask my mom. They asked me to choose between my mom and my wife. Why would you tell me to choose?
Now I understand the reason why.
My wife no only family.
I'm single parent, mom.
Hey, you don't know papa and mama no be choose na. Oh, one of them choose ni be. Like you.
I want to be professional as my life. It's not working.
So,
can I be myself?
I'm literally done with the questions.
I'm a premium motion boy.
Yeah.
Romantically on camera.
Hey! I love Jesus. Romantic them when you feel bye.
Anyways, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video.
For our Charles and Dennis.
Yeah, Kramo. Bye bye.